Yeah, so we have T-20 assembly over here.
This is our T-20 bench. Don't need much space to build these things right now, but so the T-20 is made the same as it was made previously, using the same engineering drawings and like that. So the nice thing is all the parts that we're producing for T-20s will work in older generation T-20s. Everything from brake bands to ring gears, shift collars, everything. So, but we did make some upgrades. So this carrier drum here. So all of these components previously were machined from castings, and which is a very efficient way of production, but is also weaker than doing than machining from billet. So all of our new components are machined from billet and using a higher carbon steel, so it's actually a stronger grade of steel than previously. Of course, we have the custom annular bearings, original Red Creators bearing, and so we made some. Let's see, like the little keepers in here. The U-channels are now stainless steel. Apart from that, I think everything else is kind of the same as it was before. I guess with the same thing as what we were talking about with the case. The bushing in here is a steel back bronze, which is what Borg Warner originally called for.
Yeah,
so
everything's much more durable and well built. I know these were a common replacement part. These shift collars or shift levers. So you offer those, and
yeah, we have all this stuff on our website. Just go to maxatvs.com, and you go to the menu at the top where it says Store, and click on that. And we have all parts and accessories for all Maxes, or everything that we have in here anyway, plus all the T-20 parts too. So, and then so.
Awesome! It's good to have all these parts available again.
Yeah, there's a shortage for many years of these parts.
It was becoming a problem. I mean,
it's
when we ran out, and it's common to need, just a new sprocket shaft on them. If your bands went bad and you scratched up your drums, you were in pretty bad shape without replacement parts. So it's good to have them back online.
Still have the vented plugs and the magnetic plugs as well. The lower plug. So
very nice.
Yeah.
And you got the center gaskets. That was always a big deal.
Yep.
It's good to have those. You probably sell a full seal kit, I'm sure. Where you?
We have the well. We only have the only kit is with the main gaskets plus the O-rings for the clevises.
Yeah.
I believe, but we have everything else that can be bundled together as well.
Yeah, those are good to have. That's definitely. I always kept a stack of those on when I rebuilt trans. You always needed some good center gaskets.
Yeah.
Good deal.